Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today I have a great time saving tip for you inside of Gmail called canned responses. So if you find yourself typing the same emails over and over again, maybe every time you get a new client, you send out a thank you or a welcome packet, maybe you send out daily updates or weekly agendas, anything that you do over and over again, canned responses is great. It's basically like a keyboard shortcut or a text expander, but you can save anything as a canned response. It'll save the formatting, it'll save maybe custom signatures, fonts, colors, you name it. Anything you save will be exactly the way it is. So when you compose a new email or reply to an email, you just choose your saved response. It'll fill out your entire email, save you a ton of time. Let me show you how to do it. Really easy. You can find it in the settings here in the gear icon underneath your profile. Just click on settings. This is in the labs tab over here. This is one of the experimental features inside of Gmail. I do recommend that you go through these labs. There's some pretty cool stuff in there. But just type in canned or go search for it. You're going to click enable, then save changes. It's installed just like that. So we'll go over here to the compose menu and create a new message. You can find the canned responses in the drop down menu here in the bottom right corner. Just click on canned responses. You can see there's nothing there. So basically anything that's in the body of your email here is going to be saved as a canned response. You don't have to highlight anything. You don't have to do anything. Everything in here is going to save. Now, I already have my signature as an auto feature, so I don't want to save it. Otherwise, it'll duplicate it. So what I want to do is just save this. This is something that I might send every time somebody subscribes to my newsletter. So I'm going to go back down here to the canned responses and save it. I'm just going to click on new canned response. I'm going to name it. Thank you. Hit OK. That's it. There's nothing else you need to do. I'm going to discard that message. If I compose a new message or reply to it, all I have to do is go back to the canned responses. You can see here that I can insert it just like that. Done. If I want to change things around, maybe I decided I want to make that bold. Maybe I want to add new stuff to this. I can go back here. I go back to canned response. I can save it as a new one or save the old one, update it. Or if I want to delete it, I can just delete it like that. Easy as that. That's canned responses in Gmail underneath settings, labs. Cheers.